Hi you guys, I got Lucy a Easter basket, and this is I bought this from the company The Dog Bakery. I'm going to make sure and put a link below. They are a company out of LA, and they had dog Easter packets that you could purchase for this Easter, so I went ahead and purchased one for little Lucy. And as you tell, she's super excited. You ready to see what's in your box? Are you ready to see? Huh? Okay. Okay. Oh, what's over here? What's in here? One more to open. What is it? Oh, it looks colorful so far. We've got some wrap. Okay, we're gonna take the little basket out. Oh, she's excited. Okay, let's go ahead and take off the wrapping package. We got bubble wrap. Well, they definitely package it well to where make sure it stays nice and safe and secure. Oh, somebody's so excited she can't even contain herself. Okay, here, I'll start going ahead and removing the bubble wrap. How's that sound? You excited? Huh? Oh, wow, look how nice the packaging is. Oh, yes. You want me to open it? You need your treat? Let me show you guys. Lucy, excited? All right, here we go. Okay, you want to see where I'm opening it? Okay. She's so excited. Here, did you notice that in there? Oh, is there stuff in here? Stuff in here for little Chihuahua? They do a really good job with the packaging. Like this is packaged nice and tight. What is it? Oh, you can definitely smell the treats. What you got here? You got you a little stuffed toy. Look, Lucy, look at the stuffy. It's a little bunny rabbit. Let's go ahead and pull the label off of the little bunny rabbit. Hold on, we're going to check out the treats in a second. Can you be patient? Let's see the bunny first. Let's look at the little bunny first. Make sure and get the tags off there. There we go. Oh, yeah, bunny. Oh, he's a little bunny. I think she's more interested in the treat aspect. So we'll set the bunny right there. Oh, it's a bunny. He's a little bunny. Yeah, she's more interested in the treats. What's that? What is that? Something? Can you smell it? Can you? Okay, let's open it. Ready? Oh, look, it's little treats. It's little doggy bones. Here, you want one? All right, there you go. Eat it. That's for you. No, you're just going to get one of those for right now. So go ahead and eat that one. You can have the rest later. Or tomorrow. You don't need to eat it all in one sitting. I always have a hard time getting these eggs back together. There we go. She's got 2 eggs with little doggy bones in it. You guys saw she got herself a little bunny stuffed animal. We also have in here, oh my goodness, a little bunny rabbit freshly baked dog cookie. And it's got a little tail, Lucy, little eyes and little ears. Isn't it cute? Look at that, you guys. Ah, isn't that so cute? Lucy. Alright, I'll let you have a little taste of the cookie. You ready? I'm just going to break you off a little bite. Just enough to try it, because it's big. You don't need all of it right now. Okay, there you go. She's like, give me my cookie, woman, leave me alone. Alright, so she's had herself a little bite of the cookie. She's going to work on that cookie for a moment. Let's see what else we got in here. Also in here is some looks like some jerky. Yes, some chicken jerky right here. So we'll let her have a taste of the chicken jerky as soon as she finishes the little taste. I think she's loving that cookie though. Look at her over there. She's like, oh, cookie goodness. Cookie goodness. Oh yeah, she's one happy little Wawa. Let me see if I can. There you go. You see her eating her cookie. Let's see what she thinks about these little chicken jerky treats. Oh, she noticed I got something else out. Now this is chicken jerky. All right, here you go. Have a little try of that. See what you think. We're gonna save most of this. You're not gonna eat it all tonight. We're gonna save most of this for some other time. You can enjoy it over the course of the next 2 weeks and a little bit after that. And then here is some peanut butter heart spring fling cookies. These are grain-free, fresh baked, and all natural. You ready for a little heart cookie? Oh yeah. I'm gonna put below a link to their website. This is not a sponsored video, but I would strongly encourage other people to go check out their website if you have a dog and see what they have available. See if there's something that you could surprise your dog with. Oh, they're little hearts, Lucy. Let me get one. Let me get one. Wah-wah! She's like mine. I think she approves of all of the goodies. You gonna eat the heart? I know it's kind of a little bit big. You want me to split it in two? Here, I'll break it in half. There we go. She says, I'm a little dog. I need things broken down into tiny bits. Please don't leave any crumbs around. There you go. I broke it up again for you. There you go. Oh, yeah. She's happy. And if she's happy, I'm happy. So they did a great job with their little Easter box. Lucy is loving everything, obviously. And yeah, I think next year I definitely will repurchase this, and I would definitely recommend it to others who have a dog and who want to get their dog a little special treat for Easter. But yeah, Lucy approves. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have ever purchased anything in the mail for your dog. And if your dog liked it, yeah, she's definitely wanting a little bit more of these yummies. Let me know in the comment section below. And please go over to the Dog Bakery and see what they have. They have some wonderful products. Obviously, Lucy was a big fan of the stuff that she got in her basket here. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.